Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your product feed for Walmart Marketplace success, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your product feed for Walmart Marketplace success, the first step is to log in to your Walmart Seller Center account. Navigate to the Items tab on the dashboard. Select Manage Items from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of your current products. Identify the product you wish to update or add new items. To update an existing product, click on the product name. For new products, select the option to Add New Item. Review the existing product details or fill in the new item information. Ensure you have all necessary data, including product titles, descriptions, and images. Next, update the pricing information to reflect current market rates. Adjust inventory levels to ensure availability is accurate. Check the category and subcategory to ensure proper classification. Upload high-quality images that adhere to Walmart's image guidelines. Add any necessary attributes, such as size, color, and materials. Once all information is updated, conduct a final review of the product details. After verifying accuracy, click on the Submit button to save your changes. If adding new products, follow the same process until all desired items are added. After submitting, navigate to the Feed section to monitor the status of your product updates. Check for any error messages or warnings regarding your submissions. Make necessary adjustments if you encounter any issues. Regularly review your product feed to ensure information remains current and accurate. Staying proactive with your updates will contribute to your success on Walmart Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.